That's not the RAM. I put a new stick of Kingston HyperX RAM into it. Took the old RAM out, the Ballistic Sport, just in case. It booted into the motherboard, said press enter or press F1 to enter setup. So I did. It went to the setup. It showed which fans were spinning. It showed the RAM. It showed the hard drives that are connected. I'm trying it with them connected right now. And then it froze. So the fans spinning on screen froze, and the CPU temperature graph froze. It stopped displaying any further time. And now it's just cycling itself, trying to boot. So there's something else going on that I don't know about.